start. Dear members, para, I welcome you all to this 50th annual general meeting of our cooperative society. The annual report, along with the statement of accounts, are with you. With the permission of you all, I take them as read. Para. I am happy to inform you that the financial position of our society has slightly improved. This is mainly due to good response given by the members in paying their contribution regularly and timely attendance to the monthly meetings by members is also on the increase. We have started a consumer store in vacant room near the office to cater the needs of members and their family. This store is managed by female persons, and I am happy to know that the store is going on right footing. The net profit of this consumer store is transferred to the account of our society. The business carried on by store also enables our society to bring members and their family counterparts together with closed frequently. This add to the better understanding amongst ladies. The temple on our campus needs expansion of shade and the improvement in gardening. The open space nearby also needs cleaning and new plantation of trees. Para. The society has purchased a computer for working by replacing the old typewriter. This will help reducing paper work in the office. Hereafter, you will receive society's letter with goods impression. Yours faithfully. Stop.